Welcome email. Has everyone gotten their welcome email? I hope you have. If you have not gotten your welcome email and you have checked your spam folder, because sometimes it ends up in there, go ahead and send an email right now to support@latakoo.com. When I get off of this call, I'll make sure, or if somebody else catches that, they can help out. We'll make sure that you get the login correct. We've onboarded a couple of thousand people in the last week. If it got lost in your email, we can resend it and get you logged in. So you should get this welcome email. It should have this long password. You're going to take your email address and that long password, and you're going to go to latakoo.com and you're going to log in with that. And then the first thing I want you to do is I want you to change your password. And this, of course, is something that you should do regularly anyway. I'm going to show you how right now to change your password at latakoo.com. So here we are on latakoo.com. This is your pilot feed. We'll get into that in just a second. But what I want us to do is go to Manage up here at the top. Do you see that? Home, Pilot, Manage. Click on Manage. Then click on your personal profile. These are the details about you. You're seeing the details about me right now. This is all the information about my role and my organization. If I click Edit, do you see this box over here with Edit? I'm going to click on that, and then I can make changes to my account. I can upload a profile photo, and some of you have uploaded some really fun ones, so you can do that here. And I encourage you to customize your profile. That's great. But here's where I can make some other changes down here in this box. The first thing I can do is I can update my email address. We should have this correct as it was given to us. However, I have noticed a bunch of Tribune email addresses coming in. If you don't stay with that Tribune email address, you can update it right here, no problem. Then you want to change your password. If you hit the plus here, you'll see two boxes. Type it in twice. Make it somewhat secure. Don't give us a test at 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Go ahead and make it a secure password. You know how to do that. And this down here, may latakoo employees access your account for support services? If you could put yes for that, that assists us in the unlikely event that we need to make a change to your account. So hit save, and it'll apply those changes. I'm going to hit cancel because I'm happy with my password right now.